Hello everybody, we are here in Gelato, Palestine. This is my friend. This is Ashraf, the pizza man, and this is the Arsadullah, the cute one in the Gelato, Palestine. He's working at the kitchen, and these are our very handsome boy in Bangladesh. This Zakir, and this is Chef Mupit, Chef Rolly. This is from Gelato, and the other guy here are washing. That is Abdullah. Yalla Abdullah. Yalla Abdullah. Say hi, say hi. That is Abdullah, the dishwasher of Gelato, Palestine. Aywa, aywa. This is Abdullah, our very handsome man from Somalia. Birthday to you. That is the handsome man in Gelato, and this is our chef executive in Gelato, Palestine. This is Mr. Aching from India. Hi, hello, hi, Mr. Chef. Aywa. That is Gelato, Palestine staff, and this is the pizza man, the cute guy. Nationality from Somalia. No. And I am the master cameraman. Hello, hello.
Hello. Video? Video?